Prime Minister Modi is in Rome to participate in the G20 summit. While ahead of the summit, the Prime Minister met Pope Francis in Vatican City. This is the first time Prime Minister Modi has gone to the Vatican to meet the Pope. On Friday, the Prime Minister held his first bilateral meeting with Italian Prime Minister Mario Draghi. Both leaders inspected the Guard of Honor before proceeding for delegation-level talks. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has become the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Italy since 2009. Today, the Prime Minister will join world leaders at the G20 summit, besides holding a series of bilateral meetings with heads of nations. This G20 summit is going to be the first in-person meeting of member nations since the outbreak of the pandemic. The summit will discuss the global situation, particularly the need to revive the economy. After wrapping up the G20 summit, Prime Minister Modi will make way to Glasgow, where he is going to be scheduled to attend the 26th Conference of Parties, COP26. Elisa Serafini is getting us more details. She joins us from Vatican. Good afternoon, Elisa. I just wanted to ask you, the Prime Minister's meeting with the Pope has just ended, is what we are learning. You did mention to us earlier that the tradition is that the agenda for this meeting isn't really chalked out before the meeting. But we can expect a statement. What are you picking about? What was really discussed in this meeting?
So we had sources from inside the Vatican that spoke about climate action. So this, for sure, will be a topic that has been discussed. We heard also that the topic on the Catholic community in India has been discussed. So we expect more topics also to be released shortly. We just saw a few seconds ago the car of the Prime Minister going out from the Vatican. So we will be expecting this press release and more news on that very shortly. Also, the Prime Minister met the Secretary of the State of the Vatican State, Parolin. He is the Cardinal who has been served for the diplomacy service for the Vatican. So maybe there will be also something about international relations and the relations between the Vatican State and India. So we will be having more news on that, but for sure it will be covering politics, international relations, climate change, environmental topics, and social issues. Those are the topics that are also discussed during the G20. So there is an alignment on that between the Vatican State and the Italian government.
All right, Elisa, thanks so much for getting us up to speed with all of those developments. And Elisa, tracking that story from Vatican, tracking the all-important G20 meeting also of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, of which India, of course, is a part. It's going to be an important G20 meeting, in-person meeting, and it's the first meeting after the pandemic.